Good day, ma'am. My name is Joshua J.P. Henniston, and I will be reporting the Chapter 4, which is the climate change and energy crisis. So, climate change is one of the fundamental challenges over the confront humanity. So, its adverse effects being seen may intensify over time if nothing done about it. So, kung atay buhaton ani, so kani siyang climate change mo permanente jud ni og magtika grabe gini sa next pa nga mga generations. So, what is climate change? Climate change refers to significant and lasting changes on the Earth's climate patterns. So, typically characterized by rising temperatures, especially karon, init na kayo ang panahon nato. Then, altered weather patterns and other environmental impacts. So, primarily due to human activities, so syempre, tungod na nato, such as burning fossil fuels and deforestation ka na magsigitag putulog kahoy, kung dili ta kasabot mag-plant og trees. Then, karon na noon, magsige na og flood, tungod kay grabe kita makagamit sa atong mga natural resources. So, what are the causes of climate change? So, the primarily causes of climate change include the burning of fossil fuels, so like coal, oil, and other natural gas. Deforestation, industrial processes, kanang mga pabrika nato nga maggrabe kay smoke, and agricultural practices, so which release greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous dioxide into the atmosphere, so trapping the heat and leading to global warming. So muna ito na feel karon nga daghan na kay taog kanang panghitabo nga kanang first init na gid kay sobra ka init, then if mag-uwan kusog kay uwan bisag dapat ambon ra unta ato ngay ana. So what are the effects of climate change? So the effects of climate change include rising global temperatures, so more frequent and severe weather events such as storms, heat waves, and droughts kanang tigtuyot karon sa mga taon kay init gid kayo. Then melting polar ice caps and glaciers, rising sea levels, shifts in ecosystem and biodiversity, and impacts on agriculture, water resources, and human health. So muna yung mga effects sa climate change. So, how is the climate change affecting the Philippines? So, kung si apekto sa ato karon diri sa Pilipinas ang kaning climate change. So first, increased frequency and intensity of typhoons and tropical storms. So syempre sa una ang ato storms. Okay. Signal number 1 or signal number 2 asas magpwede ra magawas-gawas sa balay. Pero karon signal number 1 and 2 dapat na nakasabalay kay kusugid kaayo muna siya. Then number 2 is rising sea levels. So syempre sa pagkakaroon sa tibuok na mga kalibutan nga ang atong dagat kay nagdikataas na tungod kay ang ice ngadto sa Antarctica kay nahilis na matungod sa kainit. So muna ang ice turn to water, so muna mutaas gid pang mato sea levels. Then changes in rainfall pattern. So for example, karon na nakabuta nga muuwan pero dili di ay, then pagkagabi na muuwan mo nang mag-cause of emergency kaysa mo kusog kayo nga uwan mo nang mag-flood ug kusog kayo ngay ana. Then loss of biodiversity and degradation of our ecosystem. So syempre nakasabot na ta na karon nga ang atong ecosystem kay mas na worse na ba kay tungod lagi aning kuan global warming, then climate change. Then number 5 will be the health impacts such as heat-related illness. So first, nato din hunahunaan din nga heat-related illness kay kanang heat stroke. Di ba example kay tungod sa kainit daghan kay mo heat stroke or kanang uban kay mag nosebleed mga nga mga illness din kada sa mga allergies sa lawas kanang burot-burot nga magpuway nga muna siya ang atong mga heat-related illness. Then these effects highlights that urgent need for adaptation and mitigation measures to address the impacts of climate change in the Philippines. So muna siya ang mga effects or mga epekto diri sa ato bansa, which is the Philippines. And then to. Then the second topic will be the energy crisis. So first, what is energy crisis? Diba? An energy crisis occurs when there's a major shortage in energy supply compared to demand. So kana siyang gamay na siya o shortage na siya sa energy, then taas kay siya demand munang shortage kay kana siyang, for example, ang good for 100 houses ra dito siyang electricity, then tungod sa kataas sa demand 120 na, so mo na magka-shortage sa energy, then leading to disruptions, price hikes mo na mong taas, and economic instability. Factors like geopolitical tensions and unsustainable consumption contribute to it. So, what are the causes of energy crisis? So, unsa may cause ana? So, the cause of an energy crisis stem from various factors such as depletion of fossil fuels, so depletion, then geopolitical conflicts, inadequate infrastructure, lack of diversification in energy sources, environmental concerns, and natural disasters. So, normal naman ganda na itong natural disaster. Siyempre, magka-energy crisis, give siya mo tao ka na storm. For example, in Yolanda, energy crisis kay taway, tungod kay nangaguba man ang atong mga kuan sa energy, mga poste, kana, then ato electricity mo, nang hinay gid siya ang energy crisis. Then, so, what are the possible solutions of the energy crisis? So, possible solutions to the energy crisis include investing renewable energy. So first, kani solar panels, di ba? Kuha na kayo siya karon, like mayon na mauso na kayo siya ron kay syempre solar panels kay kung easily installed, then dali siya paliton o dali siya makahatag din siya din og electricity tayo sa kuan ba, like sa for example pwede mo palit ang usa ka balay og solar panels para makasave sila electricity, ana ba, dili para sa uban nga. For example, katong nasa Ilocos, di ba? Isod naman sad kay sa usa ka balay magbutang datong kuan para sa Ilocos nga usa ka balay ngadto, di ba, dili kaya, di afford. So solar panels is the best way para makakuha ta og another renewable energy para dili ta sa, for example, energy crisis. So nice solar panels nga ato din magamit, for example. Then enhancing energy efficiency, promoting conservation, diversifying energy sources, improving infrastructure, implementing supportive policies, and fostering international cooperation. So, syempre, kung natin international cooperation, mas mukhang natin energy crisis, di ba? So, overall, our summary for these two topics, which is the climate change and the energy crisis, is climate change and the energy crisis are interconnected global challenges with far-reaching impacts. So climate change results from the human activities like burning fossil fuels and deforestation, leading to rising temperatures and altered weather patterns. So the energy crisis stems from factors such as fossil fuel depletion, geopolitical conflicts, and inadequate infrastructures causing shortages and price fluctuations. So addressing these issues requires transitioning to renewable, enhancing efficiency, promoting conservation, diversifying energy sources, improving infrastructure, implementing policies, and fostering international cooperation, like what I said before. Then, by addressing these challenges collectively, so societies can build a sustainable and resilient future. And that's all. Thank you.